DoorKing training is always very beneficial. This is not my first one I've been to, but it's always nice to come and see the new stuff that's going on and actually be able to talk to the techs and go through issues together rather than just over the phone.
Hi, I'm Javier. We're here at DoorKing in Oxnard, California seminar. We've been using the product for 10 years. The seminar is very helpful for us. The training is very helpful. They're coming to you at your desk now, just help you with whatever troubles you need. They got the answers for. Very excellent. I recommend all these companies to come to this DoorKing seminar.
Hi, my name's Kat. I work for Morty and ML Entry Gates. Ever since I started working for him and using DoorKing products, I've been coming to this seminar at least once a year. Each time I learn something so amazing, it saves me at least 2 hours of troubleshooting. And if for nothing else, you should definitely come and get a free tech book or one of their awesome giveaways. Today I got a vegan keypad and that was awesome. I can't wait to go home my free operator. And cell box.